Oh my God, naiiyak na ako from all those messages. Oh. Firstly, happy birthday now. Happy 18th birthday. First, I just want to say that I'm so grateful to be your friend or best friend. I don't know if just remember that kahit lahat, ako naman iiyak. Kahit talikuran ka ng mga tao, I'll be always there by your side. Even though that we've been friends since grade 9 pa lang, I cherish you so much as a person, as a best friend, as my sister from another mother. Everything about you is just so talented. I cherish you so much. You're so beautiful. I adore you and I look up to you so much. So, sana hindi ka pabalik at sana we still are best friends when we graduate and to the future world. So I love you so much.
Thank you, Marshall. Next is Maria Micaela.